Did you know that a significant portion of cryptocurrency investments are linked to Trump? Or is his influence in the crypto space just a myth? Welcome to our video where we explore Trump's involvement in the cryptocurrency realm and its growing significance. There's a lot of skepticism and misconceptions surrounding Trump's stance on cryptocurrency. How has this affected public perception? Let's dive into the details. Trump's past statements, policies, and potential connections with crypto investments have been a topic of debate. We'll explore both the positive and negative aspects of his involvement. Here's the most compelling evidence or surprising fact. Trump's influence or secrets in the cryptocurrency world might be more significant than you think. To recap, we've discussed Trump's crypto secrets and their impact on the market and public opinion. What are your thoughts on Trump's involvement in crypto? Comment below and don't forget to watch our next video for deeper insights into crypto trends.